don't know how the lighting's like, but hey guys, today is actually day 4 of Ramadan. I didn't really vlog the last 2 days because I was doing nothing. Let me turn the autofocus off. But yeah, I didn't really vlog the past 2 days because there was nothing that I could do. There was nothing for me to do. It was quite boring. It was 2 days full of editing, literally. So I didn't really vlog, you know. And today's kind of no different, but I thought, let me pick up the camera, let me do something. So I'm about to head out. I need to take my little brother somewhere. Then I'm gonna come back and I need to pack. I'm a last minute packer. I'm a last minute everything. I work well under pressure, so that's a good thing. So I'm gonna quickly come home, pack. I think today I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna like clean out and start packing my makeup, and you guys are gonna do that with me. And then yeah, that's it. And then tomorrow I'll do. Oyin, what did you say? She's on the phone. Anyways, so yeah, I need to go now. I'll be back very soon. And yeah, this is my garden, by the way. But yeah, I totally came out here for the sun. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Hey guys, so it's like 500 hours after I left. I don't even know what the time is, my phone's dead. It's like 3 hours, 4 hours until I was last on here. So yeah, so I'm gonna be packing tomorrow. I'm not gonna stop packing today. Today instead we are going to, oh damn, I just went and did some shopping. Today we're gonna be making some food. I don't know what I'm gonna be making. I'm just gonna have fun today. So what are you doing? I'm in charge.
What are you doing with the pasta?
I'm making that. I'm making pasta. I'm making some tagliatelle pasta with like some chicken and like spinach, pepper. I bought some puff pastry. I bought some puff pastry because I want to make pasties. So I went to Co-op and I bought some lily mashing potatoes. This is what I'm going to put inside the pasties because I'm making cheese and potato ones. They usually have onions in it. Should I put onions in it as well?
Yes.
Fine. I bought these puff pastries.
Onions. No, you're not. Yes, I am.
Are you really?
Yeah.
That's what I'm definitely putting it in. I bought puff pastry! There's some spinach, some mozzarella grated cheese, extra mature cheese. I got this because I like anything cheesy. I also got baby potatoes. I think I'm craving potatoes too. Now I need to start turning the washing machine off. So I'm gonna boil the potatoes, get everything ready, and then I'll be back.
She ain't come back.
Oh, we bought the ring light in because I just wanted the extra light. my video, guys. I'm gonna wrap up here. Anyway, so that is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed my little baking session. It was actually quite nice. Guys, what did you guys rate the pasties out of 10?
10. 10 out of 10. Yeah, 10.
Minus 0.5.
I was waiting for that. That's what I was waiting for. I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Hopefully tomorrow's vlog is much better than this one. I don't know. I'm not that wide, okay? My life is not that interesting. I'm a boring gal. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!